Good.
All right. In flight, normal descent. Yep. No, we're not going 126 knots. All right, we're going to fuel pump on. We're going to full rich. Okay, we're on the right tank. That's fine. I'd like to switch over while we're here. We'll switch over to left tank real fast. Fuel pumps on. Left tank. Got good fuel pressure. Everybody buckled?
Yes.
Everybody strapped in?
Yes.
Carb heats, don't need it. Hot as hell outside. Make sure full rich. Yep, airspeed will handle, throttle will handle. All right. Let's go in. Approaching landing. Fuel selector, yes, we're good. Seats are reg, belts harnessed up, full fuel pumps on. Mixture rich. Flats, we'll get to that. Trim, we'll set for 75. Final approach speed, we'll get there. All right, good deal. Get a little bit to the right there. 11 miles out, 128.15, is that right? Tell them we're in to the east. Not right now, everybody's going to have to be a little quiet.
Hickory Tower, Archer 80926, holding short runway 24, ready for takeoff.
We're on 24, it sounds like.
Number 80926, turn right on course, wind variable 3, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Turn right on course, wind variable, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, 926.
Hickory Tower, Cherokee 90611 Juliet, 10 to the east at 4,000 inbound.
Number 9611 Juliet, Hickory Tower, report a 3 mile left base, runway 24. Wind is variable 3, altimeter 2993.
Report a 3 mile left base for 2411 Juliet. Alright, let's start climbing this bad boy again, like we know how. Procedure, approach, visual. Call it a straight in on. Get that thing right there. Okay. Okay, yeah.
So that air getting warmer.
Oh yeah, fast too. Well, did you hear what the density altitude was like? 3,500 feet. See the airport, don't you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Straight ahead, dog.
I was just hoping you did.
I see it. I think that's the airport.
Hickory Tower, Skyhawk 7643 Golf, 14 miles east of the field at 4,400 feet.
7643 Golf, Hickory Tower, wind variable 3, altimeter 2993, report a 4 mile final, runway 24.
Report 4 mile final for runway 24 for Skyhawk 7643 Golf.
November 43 Golf, which ramp you going to when you get here?
I would like to stay in the pattern, full stop, taxi back, student solo for Skyhawk 7643 Golf.
Number 43 Golf, roger.
Hickory Tower, Cherokee 9611 Juliet on a 3-mile left base for 24.
Cherokee 11 Juliet, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land 2411 Juliet. Let's make it a real left base so we're not carded out here. Can't put that on there yet. 10 degrees. Whoop. Have a gradual turn in on this one. Got 500 feet this in. A little more, I'm afraid, a little higher. Line this bad boy up. I may need y'all to be quiet for just a moment. I appreciate it. Two whites, two reds. Got about 500 feet. There we go, looking good, looking good. Good and stable. Still two whites, two reds. Alright, let's take that power out. You feel it's going up?
Yeah. From the highway.
Got the runway almost made. We got the runway made. Got the runway made. Power out. A little flatter than I meant it for on that one. Snuck up on me, didn't it?
Count it.
I'll take it. Open that door.